Hello and welcome everyone, my name is Peter and in this video we will be changing diverter valve in our Audi TT Mark II with 2-liter engine. And I would like to add we will be using this without the car lift, so the vehicle will be on the ground with front right corner of the vehicle jacked up. And as you can see, I already removed the wheel and the wheel arch lining, which was completely unnecessary, but I found that out after I removed it. So you don't have to remove the wheel arch lining, just remove the front right wheel and you will have as much access as I did. For this job you will need socket wrench, 5mm Allen bit, you will need a 10mm socket, and additionally we will use 3 screws which are M6, 16mm in length, since we will be replacing the original screws with those 6-point screws as they are much easier to get back in. So let's get started. First thing we are going to do is disconnect the electrical connector. You can use screwdriver, flathead screwdriver to do it because it has a safety pin which can break, so be careful when you unplug it. And when you unplug it, put a cable on the side so it doesn't obstruct you from working. After that we will take the Allen key and like I said, this is a 5mm Allen, and remove these 3 screws that are holding the diverter valve in place. So once we remove the diverter valve, it's much easier to see exactly where the screws are, and you can notice that the bottom screw has a little hole right next to it. This is where the pin on the diverter valve gets in, so you can put the diverter valve back in only in one direction, which is the electrical connector pointing downwards. So make sure to orient it in the right way. And to do so, we will take the new part and screw the new screws back in with our fingers and then tighten them with our wrench. After that, the only thing that's left to do is connect the wires back to the diverter valve and make sure it clicks so you know it's back in its place, and that's basically the whole job. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or ideas on new videos I should do, or if I should do anything better in this one, please write down below. And until the next video, take good care. Bye!